Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tooth beads is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for enhancing your smile's aesthetic appeal, but maintaining their pristine condition and ensuring a seamless replacement process is crucial for preserving both their beauty and your oral hygiene. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect replacement tooth beads, considering factors such as material, size, color, and overall quality, ensuring a smooth transition and a consistently stunning look. Number 5. Amazing Temporary Tooth Kit. It's easy to feel self-conscious about a missing tooth. But with this kit, you can get your smile back quickly and affordably. This amazing kit lets you create a temporary replacement tooth in the comfort of your own home. No special tools or dental experience needed. Choose the shade that best matches your teeth. It comes with everything you need to create a natural-looking replacement. The kit includes simple, step-by-step instructions with clear color pictures. Plus, we have an online video tutorial to guide you through the process. It comes with a convenient carrying case, so you can easily store and carry your temporary tooth and extra materials wherever you go. With this kit, you can feel confident smiling again, knowing you have a comfortable and realistic-looking temporary tooth replacement. What we like? If you prefer a natural look and want a simple, mess-free application, this is perfect for you. It comes with everything you need, including a handy carrying case for spares. This makes it ideal for on-the-go touch-ups or for those who value convenience and a realistic appearance. What people say. It did take me about 10 times to get it right. The tooth fits into place and stays in. Easy in and easy out. Less is more and you can't tell which one it is versus my crowns. Stayed in, wouldn't eat with it but I did too twice. It's gonna take a little work. You probably won't get it right on the first try but once you figure it out, you won't regret it. Number 4. Sukh 10.9-ounce Repair Beads. These amazing beads offer endless possibilities for your creative projects. They're easy to use and incredibly versatile. It boasts excellent malleability, allowing you to mold it into intricate designs. You can pull, sculpt, paint, or attach it to other materials. Simply boil it in water until transparent, then shape it by hand or with tools. It's that simple. With a generous 310g weight, it's fully customizable to meet all your project requirements. It's economical and reusable too. Perfect for cosplay, Halloween costumes, DIY projects, repairs, and more. The possibilities are endless. These moldable beads are great for all sorts of crafts and DIY projects. They make a fantastic gift for creative individuals of all ages. What we like? If you need a highly versatile and reusable solution, this is your best bet. Its malleability allows for intricate designs, making it suitable for various DIY projects beyond just temporary tooth repair. This is perfect for the creative individual or anyone who values cost-effectiveness and multiple uses. What people say. It takes some practice to shape the putty and fit it properly but it stays in place isn't noticeable unless you look for it. It is easy to shape and stays in place temporarily. The beads are very easy to work with. You can easily make a suitable replacement tooth in a couple minutes. Number 3. Teeth Repair Beads Kit. This kit is perfect for quickly and easily repairing broken or missing teeth. It's ideal for temporary fixes and cosmetic purposes. Use it for everyday wear, special occasions, or even cosplay. It's versatile and adaptable to many situations. Find the right temperature to mold it easily. Too hot, and it's too soft, too cold, and it's too stiff. Get it just right for a perfect fit. No special tools are needed. Most people find it easy to use and can create a new tooth in minutes. It's made from safe, non-toxic, and biodegradable materials. If swallowed accidentally, there's no need for worry, as it's easily metabolized by the body. This temporary fix can last for several months with proper care. Simply clean it with your toothbrush. It's great for filling gaps between teeth, attaching to existing teeth, or even securing small dentures. It's incredibly versatile. What we like? If ease of use and safety are your top priorities, this kit is a great choice. It requires no special tools and is made from a safe, biodegradable material, making it a worry-free option for temporary fixes. This is ideal for those seeking a simple, reliable, an environmentally conscious solution. What people say. Put pellets in fake teeth and dip in hot water. Bite in melted pellets and let set. Bought this to cover a broken tooth that was very sharp and was rubbing the inside of my cheek really badly. It covered the jagged tooth very well and has been on now for several weeks without any issues. Quick fix: molds to your teeth, make new tooth, false teeth. Number 2. Tooth Repair Kit. Are you missing a tooth or have a broken one? This kit provides a safe and easy solution to repair your smile at home. It's time to feel confident again. It uses safe, odorless, eco-friendly polymer plastic beads. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's gentle on your mouth. These moldable beads conform to your teeth for a comfortable, natural fit. You'll barely notice it's there. With simple instructions, you can easily repair your teeth yourself. A little practice will make you an expert in no time. No matter the size or type of repair, this kit is perfect for all your dental needs. Get ready to smile with confidence at any event. From job interviews to special dates, it will help you feel confident and attractive. Get your smile back today. What we like. If you value a comfortable and natural feeling temporary tooth, this is the one for you. The material molds to your teeth seamlessly, providing a comfortable fit. It's also a safe and easy to use DIY solution, perfect for those who want to save money and time. What people say. My fiancé makes his own partials, so he uses this to make the gum area. He has had the same set since March. They hold up really well and can easily be adjusted as needed by just dropping them in some hot water and reforming them. Top notch. Was simple to use and has held up well. Follow instructions. Number 1. 10G Teeth Repair Beads. It comes in 3 colors to match any teeth. No more worrying about a mismatch. These versatile beads aren't just for teeth. Use them for cosplay, crafts, or even model making. It's perfect for filling gaps or repairing broken teeth. Get a confident smile back quickly. Simply shape it by molding it in boiling water. It's easy to use and customize to your exact needs. With enough material for 20 to 25 repairs, it's a cost-effective solution. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. If you want a versatile product with color options and multiple uses, this is a great choice. It's easy to use, and the multiple colors allow you to match your natural teeth. Beyond teeth repair, it's great for various DIY projects, offering excellent value for money. What people say. The tooth replacement kit I have has blinding white beads, so it was nice to find a replacement kit of natural teeth colors. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.